Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So in this page you can see this one is my home page of my LMS, Moodle LMS. So currently you see this one is a different and this is not well designed. So in this case you want to redirect this same thing to in login page, then you can easily do this. You don't have to make any code changes. Okay. So it's all about the administrative settings. So let's see how you can do that. So first log in with a site administration. Site administrator role. Now come to site administration. Now we search here for force. So basically that term is called force login. So I will be checking here the force login. Okay. So it is not coming. So I just type force. Okay. So now is I can see the force. So now here on this page you can search for login. Yes. So this basically this term is called security site security settings. Nobody can access or see your courses without login. Okay. So if you come here on login page, so everyone can see my courses. Okay. So the courses that is in visible mode, you can see here the three courses. Anyone can see whoever is visiting my site. But this is also the part of security settings. So the moment I check this one and save, force user to login, let's see definition what it say. Normally the site homepage and the course listing page, but not courses, can be read by people without login to the site. Okay. So if you want to force people to log in before they do anything on the site, then you should enable this one. Okay. So this is the only thing you will have to check, and you will have to click on save changes. Now let me check. So I'll just log out here. I don't see any home page, so it is directly redirecting to the login page. So this is how you can force user to log in before accessing any content of your site. So here if I refresh this one, it will redirect to my login page. So hope this will be helping you in the setting of the security things in your case. Thank you for watching and have a great day.